Watch me fly from Orlando to Dallas to surprise my sister for her birthday. I had the whole day planned for her and she had no idea I was hiding behind there when I surprised her, and she ran out and gave me the biggest hug. We were so excited. She blew her candles and we got the day started. She picked out the card for the restaurant. We went to Urban Seafood. She ordered oysters and pasta. She really enjoyed her lunch. After that, it was time to pick out the next card, and she picked out, spent $100 at Target, and she loves Target, so she was happy that she picked that instead of the Walmart one. We went into Target and went shopping. She grabbed a bunch of stuff, but then she forgot how expensive Target is, and her total came up to over $100. But anyway, it was her birthday, so I let her slide. And then it was time for the next card. She picked a massage. She really wanted to do that. She said her body was hurting, so it was the perfect one. Look at her stretching out after the massage. She really enjoyed it. And then this was kind of tricky, but she was lucky and picked the $500 in cash. And so she didn't know that I actually had the money. So look at her face when I handed it to her. She was like, "What?" Anyway, I gave it to her. She was excited, gave me a hug. And then on to the next card. Order takeout for dinner is what she had. So I know what her favorite food is, and I actually ordered somebody to make it for her so that she could pick it up later. Look at her face of shock. She was excited about that too. And then she didn't pick out this card, but you already know which one she picked out because we spent the night at the hotel together. And then the morning, she picked breakfast. She ate good and then fell into a coma. And then we said our goodbyes. We were both really sad, and it was time for me to fly back to Orlando.